Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Blaupunkt Philadelphia 845. If you are watching my channel since from the day it started, then you might be knowing the first videos that I made it was about this device, and this is the upgraded model. This is the 845, and the later on that I had made the video earlier it was 835. The major difference between 845 and 835 is we get here a new feature called phone link, where you can mirror your phone onto this display. And it's not like your Apple CarPlay on the Android Auto, it's a different thing, but it's a kind of new feature. And there are some new navigations menu here that we find here, and the remote is changed. So why wait, my friends? Let's open this up, and this is the box that we get here. Take a look around. So let's open this up, my friends. So here we go. So as you can see here, it's open. So in here first we get the warranty card about this device. So we have the Blaupunkt car audio systems is fully guaranteed against manufacturing defects or material defects for the period of 24 months. Like, you get 2 years of warranty from the date of sale when you buy this product. Okay, and this is a new type of maps. I didn't know about it. It's a Navteo or something like that it's called. It's from ANS, and we will see how this map works with our device. And now we need to dig in. So here we get the device, as you can see here. Put this aside. So as you can see, it's really heavy. So the device looks the same, I hope. You get these two screws for transportation. It holds the drive correctly. And let's open this up. So as you can see here, the device interface is totally the same buttons, and these are like soft buttons as compared to the earlier one, and the look and feel are both the same. And in here as well we get the media for your SD card and pen drive and aux in, and in here we get the hole for the maps and the other functions that I have mentioned in my earlier video. Like, if you want to change the boot screen, if you want to change your wallpaper, then this is the port that is used. So on the rear you get the same connections as we used to get in the earlier model. So these are CAN interface, so you can use it directly on a Skoda or Volkswagen car if you have this kind of DIN. So let me keep this aside. Okay, so inside the box we get nothing more, another box. This box contains the GPS antenna and some connections for your CAN interface. Like these interface goes for your Volkswagen, Skoda or Audi or Seat cars. It just plugs in here, and these cables are used to directly plug on your device pack. And there is the rear entertainment cables also available here, so you can use it on your rear displays or anything if you want to do that. The user manual, and these are the remote. This is the remote. This is a new remote, and as compared to the old one, this is a slightly different remote. When I install it on my car, I will show you what's the main difference. So this is the hook that you need to install if you have a side slide locking mechanism on your two-DIN systems. So that's all, my friends. This is what we get here, like the device, the manual, the remote, rear canvas cables, GPS antenna, your map, and warranty card. So that's all, my friends. If you compare this with the old one, we used to get a 1 year of insurance free with this, but now it is not available like that. It's only, I think we get only 2 years of warranty, nothing else. We get 2 years of warranty and nothing more. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. It's kind of a messy unboxing, it's okay, and make a next video with the installation process, and we will discuss about what features that we get in this model. Thank you for watching, my friends. Do subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be very happy to help you out. Bye bye.